Hi, I'm Noble Black, and welcome to the 60th floor at Madison Square Park Tower. This 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home is over 4,600 square feet on one full floor with some of the best views in all of the city. What I love about this apartment, though, is there's been great attention paid to entertaining and a truly New York lifestyle all throughout. Let me show you around. You step off the elevator into this entry hall, and you're immediately drawn into this grand entertaining space. All right, I'm gonna give you a moment. Take in the views. These are iconic, jaw-dropping, postcard New York views. You will never get tired of this view. Now that you've appreciated the outside, let me show you what's so special about the interiors here. Let's start with this great room. First, the proportions. You don't find rooms like this. It's over 1,000 square feet. You've got 10-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, and the best part are these gorgeous architectural windows giving you 2 exposures. So you're having a cocktail party, all your friends are here. This living room is big enough for multiple seating areas. So cocktail hour's done. You've had plenty of conversations about the view. Now it's time for dinner. Luckily, there's an easy flow from the living space to the dining space. What meal wouldn't be delicious in a dining room like this? And it's large enough you can have over all of your friends. And for the host, it's perfect because the kitchen is right next door. So the kitchen is really where the attention to detail shines in this apartment, from the lacquered cabinets to the marble countertops. And here it's really a chef's dream. You've got 2 of every appliance, beautiful wine fridge, everything you could hope for. So just imagine cooking dinner here. Even if you're cooking alone, you're never cooking alone here. You've got your friends at the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building. All of Manhattan is right outside the window. And what could be more inspiring than that? So you certainly don't need a TV in this bedroom. With views stretching from the Empire State Building over the East River all the way down to the World Trade Center, there's always something exciting and inspiring to watch from this apartment. And of course, as with the rest of the apartment, the proportions are generous, the windows are beautiful and fully floor to ceiling, great ceiling height, and of course, fantastic finishes. And beyond this pin drop quiet bedroom, there's 2 walk-in closets and one of the most beautiful primary baths in town. And with this much light, you could get a tan while taking a bath. But of course, how you entertain here is entirely up to you. I hope you'll agree this home is a true entertainer's dream with views that are the best in the city and the best city in the world. Thanks for joining me on a tour today.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?